Welcome back to the courtroom.
Welcome back to the channel and buckle up, because what you're about to witness isn't just shocking, it's downright disturbing. A 43-year-old man walks into a middle school boys' locker room and refuses to leave. And no, this isn't some mix-up or lost parent. This is a full-on legal nightmare that spirals quickly.
A law enforcement officer was dispatched to a citizen holding call or a citizen holding suspect call at 9825 Stella Link Road in Harris County, Texas. The law enforcement officer made contact with the complainant. The complainant, a coach at Emory Weiner School, stated that he witnessed the defendant inside of the boys' locker room talking to students. The complainant told the defendant to leave and not to interact with the students, which
This is where the case takes a sharp turn. The man isn't just trespassing, he's inside a school locker room, refusing to leave after being told by staff, with children present and security involved. This isn't minor anymore. This is a legal landmine, and it just exploded in the courtroom.
Mr. Williams, you're not a student there or a teacher there, are you? Okay, don't go back to Emory Weiner. Holy moly, if I find that you go back to a school or is it an elementary school? It's like a high school, isn't it?
I believe it's a middle school. Let me double check.
Do you have any children? I'm ordering you not to go to any high school, any middle school, any elementary school whatsoever for any reason. Not to have contact with anyone under the age of 15. And if you do, I'm going to put you in jail. Do you understand?
Now pay close attention, because when the judge bans someone from all schools and any child under 15, it's not a casual warning. It's a signal that the court sees real risk. No room for excuses, no misunderstandings, just a flat-out ban. That level of restriction says everything.
The sole purpose in life is to protect every single child in this county. And if I find that you become a danger to anyone, I'm going to make your bond so high, you're going to have teeth falling out. Do you understand, sir? No contact, and I'm absolutely serious. How much money do you make a month, sir?
The judge just said his life mission is to protect every child. That's not hyperbole, that's a legal war cry. He's not going to take chances. And honestly, can you blame him? In a case involving locker rooms and minors, caution isn't just smart, it's the law in motion.
Restrictions to parks.
So, are you here on this case?
I'm not, Judge. I just have no scare the probable cause.
Tell me, what do you got?
Well, based upon the probable cause, Judge, the state would recommend restriction to any parks where children can be normally at play, and restriction to internet access in order to prevent any type of interaction. But I am not on this case.
No, yeah. Well, I want to protect all children, right? If he was charged with something like a child pornography, then absolutely, right? But he may have a lot of business on internet, banking, mortgage, just. Parks, okay. Internet, I don't know. I think that might be,
Yeah.
Here's where things get tricky. Should internet access really be restricted before a full trial? On one hand, it's a powerful safety move. On the other, it could affect daily survival. The judge hesitates. In that moment, it's the justice system balancing freedom, fairness, and firewall at once.
and I'm going to do everything I need to do it. Do you understand? So if I find that you're acting a fool out there in the free world, however it may be, you saw me just now put someone else with a $50,000 bond. I mean, I have no problem making it $500,000. I've done it before and I'll do it again. So just beware when you're out there, make smart choices. Do you understand? Okay, so no parks or places where children can go.
Any devices?
Devices, guys?
I'm sorry, Judge.
Device?
Most definitely a GPS device with an exclusion zone, Judge. At that.
I think I agree with that as well, but I'll waive the fee.
If the battery dies, so will you. That's what the judge told him. It's dramatic, but the point is serious. No tolerance, no excuses. The GPS device isn't optional, it's the court's leash, and the judge is even paying for it. This case has turned into a full lockdown.
Could we request some sort of proof from the judge so I know that he's not misrepresenting the court or we say no home confinement because this is a dangerous case, Judge. And part of the community is affected by this case. Children were affected. He was.
And now, the bomb drops he allegedly went to the girls' locker room next. That changes the entire legal equation. Now, the court isn't just reacting, they're preparing for worst-case scenarios. This is why restrictions are going into overdrive. The community isn't just shocked, they're scared, and rightly so.
Elementary school, yeah. I'm putting a monitor on you so I know where you are because I'm not going to take your word for it. Understand if the battery dies, so will you. You have to charge it on a daily basis. That thing costs around $500 to $600 a month. I'm going to pay for it for you so that there's no excuse. But you need to understand that you're going to have to charge that thing on a daily basis. And if the battery dies, that's it. I'm not going to entertain any excuses. Do you understand? Now, I'm not going to require proof of employment, but I'm going to take your word that you're a working man, that somehow you need to survive. But just you're walking and skirting a very short leash here. Do you understand, Mr. Williams? Okay. Well, don't. You have the right to remain silent. I've got a ton of DAs here, and everything you say, they're going to use it again. They're going to, use it against you. And I want to protect you as much as I can within the, bounds of the law. Do you need me to appoint you a lawyer?
I do.
Okay. I'll have him fill out an application. Yeah, I guess no drugs, no alcohol as well. Yeah. I will provide you a lawyer today. They'll be able to counsel you on how to move forward, but no drugs, no alcohol. You know what the other conditions are. They want me to make you stay at home. I don't want to have to do that.
So, what have we learned? A man entered a school locker room, refused to leave, got dragged out, and now faces restrictions, monitoring, and intense judicial scrutiny. Whether this was confusion or something darker, the legal system isn't waiting. To find out, like, comment, and subscribe for more cases like this.
You understand what's expected of you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, man.